Is your Bitcoin withdrawal on Cash App being canceled for your protection? Here's what it means and how to fix it. Cash App automatically monitors transactions to prevent fraud. If it detects anything suspicious, like unusual behavior, unverified identity, or mismatched account info, it may cancel the payment to protect your funds. When this happens, the money is instantly refunded to your Cash App balance or linked bank account. If you don't see it right away, it should arrive within 1 to 3 business days. To reduce the chances of this happening again, only link debit or credit cards that are in your name. Send and receive Bitcoin only with people or businesses you trust. Double-check the recipient's phone number or cash tag before sending, and actively use your Cash App to build a strong transaction history. If your withdrawal keeps getting canceled, try verifying your identity, updating your linked bank info, or contacting Cash App support. You can chat 24/7 in the app or call them at 800-969-1940 daily from 8 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Stay safe and make sure your account info always matches your identity.